Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS. Outstanding car, guys. Got a nice little history with this car. A buddy of mine got this car for me out of Tennessee. But this car actually in 1974 was purchased by a lady. She was out of Nevada. The car was originally a California car, original black plate car. We do have both the front and the rear plate for it. Then in 2005, I think it was, the gentleman we got the car from, it was his grandmother that had this car. She gave him this car. That's when he actually had the car restored, had the car completely disassembled. This is a color change. This is Hugger Orange. They didn't actually have this color in '67. But just a super cool car, guys. I believe this car has all the original body panels, just a rock solid car. Gorgeous Hugger Orange paint. Really just a nice car. 327 4-speed car. He has done some recent upgrades. I know the trans was just redone. I know he just added front disc brakes, brand new wheels and tires, brand new $600 Hurst shifter. And like I say, just a really nice car. Original RS headlight car. The headlights do function. Doesn't have the matching numbers engine in it. It does have it's a 68 327 275 horse block in it, but he did say the rest, the intake, the heads and stuff, those are supposed to be the original components to the car, but the block was actually changed. It's got a 68 block in it. You can see the chrome and the stainless. Oops, getting a little ahead of myself, sorry, getting out of sorts here, sorry. I always like to show you the front trim. Again, the hideaway headlights are functional. Chrome and stainless are very nice. There's your original California black plate. Does have the front spoiler on it. Pretty paint, man. I wish we had some sunshine. It's actually freezing cold here today, so a little chilly, but pretty paint. I believe this is power, and I believe it does work. Glass is nice. I think the front windshield's been changed. I believe the rest of the glass is original. The fit and finish on the doors are very nice. You can see the glass fits up nice. Good looking car. Pretty paint. Whoever laid the paint down on this car did an excellent job. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on this car. Very nice car. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. Car runs and drives excellent. New wheels, new tires. Those are 17 and 18 inch American, or I'm sorry, 18 and 20 inch American torque thrust wheels on it. Sorry, just a little dirt there. Good looking car, man. Again, I've got both the black plates for the car. We left the front one on it. And I'll tell you, car runs and drives excellent. Really hits the road nice. Again, not a matching numbers engine, but it does have an era correct 68 327 block in it. Factory 2-barrel, stock intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering, just upgraded to power front disc brakes. This is super cool. It's got the original California smog still on it. You guys know what that's worth. Your original parts hounds, you know that's worth quite a bit of money. 4-speed manual trans, not a big gear. It's a factory 10-bolt rear end, not a big gear. It's just a stock rear end. It's definitely something. turn the key, go have some fun, drive it. Good car. Really good car. Yeah, I like this car a lot, man. If you're looking for a nice straight driver, I think you're gonna love this car. Pretty color. Like I say, gorgeous paint on the car. A-pillar chrome is pretty doggone nice. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it. Again, the glass is nice. A few little scratches there. I believe this interior is all original too, guys. Bucket seats, console, original RS steering wheel. He said that's a brand new Hurst shifter. Looks like it's got all the correct Fisher body seat belts in it. Oh, I've ordered new front mats for the car. They're coming. 34,000. I'm assuming that's not the original miles, guys. Got an aftermarket Stewart Warner oil pressure gauge. That's pretty cool. Aftermarket AM/FM radio. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. Again, 10-bolt rear end. Just a good car, man. There's really not a whole lot that you can really nitpick on this car. Not that you can't find something somewhere. I tell everybody that. These are all old cars. You're going to find something. But this is a nice car. Do this without tearing this mat, ripping the. See, it is spackle coated in the trunk. Again, I believe it's got all the original body panels on it. It's got an old bias ply spare in it. Car's very nice underneath. Very original underneath. I got, like I say, we got it up on the hoist, took some pictures of the car. Very clean. Car is rock solid underneath. Yeah, I dig this car, man. Like you say, the mats are on the way. They'll have the they're black with the silver Camaro writing on them. Seats are nice. It's a good car, really good car. Dash is nice. Console's in good shape. They have Nathan fired up here. Again, door handles you can nitpick a little. They look original. A-pillar chrome is really nice. And I'll tell you, it's just a good car. You can hear a little smog pump working. I'll tell you guys, the car runs and drives outstanding. The car's just got a good look to it. Fuel gauge works, speedo works, parking brake does work. Leave that one out for a double shot. There you go, yep. That's just a good car right there, guys. Good car. Blower motor works, radio. Is that power? No, it's not. It's not a power engine. I thought it was. It's not. Detroit. The radio does work. Again, blower motor works. You can see how nice the doors open and close. That glass fits up good. Wipers work. Your lights are still on. Yeah, make sure you keep track. Not really sure why those aren't closing. I know they do work though. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way you get a notification every time I post one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.